Today I'm going to be doing a ZAFUL bikini haul. I've never actually done a ZAFUL bikini haul before. I did buy some stuff from ZAFUL last year, but I never ended up putting it up because I don't think I got around to filming it, and I've never really been one to put bikinis on my body in front of the camera. So we will see how I go today. So everything that I have bought, it is all with my own money, so whatever I say is my complete honest opinion because I have nothing to do with ZAFUL. This is just everything that I decided that I wanted to buy to see if I would like it, that I can end up wearing during summertime so that I can go swimming. I think everything that I bought was mainly size small, except I think there was one size medium because all the reviews said to size up. So that is what I've done, but besides that, yeah, everything in this haul is pretty much a size small. I do have a couple items that I will show you that I have purchased that are from last year, but one fits really good and one doesn't fit well at all, so I thought I would just show you because I never ended up wearing one of them. Also, just letting you know, in the try-on hauls, I have had tummy surgery recently, so I had it 2 days ago and I also had it about 6 weeks ago, so I do have some little incision marks on my stomach, which you probably hopefully won't be able to see very well, but if you do see anything, it is because of that. I am thinking of making a video on what is going on with me because I feel like there's a lot of other women out there who can probably relate and they just don't know. So yeah, if you would like to see what is going on with me with my stomach and all my surgeries and procedures and stuff, then let me know and I will think about doing a video for that. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so this is a navy blue in small. I don't think that's the name. Okay, so this is in size small. It is a navy blue kind of ribbed material. It actually looks like it'll be quite sturdy. The good thing is this one has some cups so that if you're kind of like me, hello, you want to see what we're doing. If you're kind of like me, you just prefer that little bit of padding. It's not like thick padding that it will make a difference with your boobs being like pushed together or anything, but it will just cover so you don't get a nip slip. Well, a cold nipple, frozen nipple, whatever it is, I don't know. So I don't think they have the names of what ones they are. So these are the bottoms. They are a bit cheeky, but they're not like insanely cheeky because I'm not that type of person who wants to have my butt out at the beach or at the swimming pool because I'm usually with my friends or my family. So it's not really like, I just don't want my butt in their face. I just don't feel like that's just very good looking for me. They don't need to see my bum. So that one does feel really good quality. I am quite impressed with that. Okay, so this is the first one. For someone who's just had surgery, I've got like quite a bit of a bloated belly. So it'll also be good to see how comfy these bathers are with it because with my condition at the moment, my tummy keeps going really bloated, so if the bathers are comfortable enough to wear when I'm still bloated, then that will be like a big plus for me. So this is the blue one. I feel like it still is a bit cheeky, like a bit more cheeky than what I am like used to. But yeah, no, I do think this one is really pretty. Okay, so this next one is also in size small. This one is a boob tube grey top, and again, the quality feels really good. Like, it honestly, for what you pay for it, it definitely feels really good quality. It doesn't feel like it's going to be cheap material that is kind of going to like break away when you're in the water. So you could honestly compare this to like Kmart and Big W if you're in Australia for the quality. That looks good size. I feel like that will cover me, whereas some of the other ones that I tried last year, they were just very little, like, and my boobs were just too big for it, and I don't actually have the biggest size boobs, but they just were too big for the top. But this does actually seem like it will cover. The other thing that I do like about this one is that it does have padding in it as well, so there is a spot for your boobs, so hopefully it does give you a chest more shape than just like squishing it down. The bottoms Very similar sizing, I think, to the other one. They're not super cheeky again, but they are still a little bit cheeky, so there is going to be a little bit of bum, but it's not like it's fully covered. So it's not going to feel like I'm wearing a thong, and it's not going to feel like I'm wearing a nappy, if that makes sense. But they do feel quite nice as well. So okay, so this one I do really like. I feel like this would come up or fall down if I was to go in like the beach waves, or if I was to go on any slides or anything, so I'd probably more keep this for like a chill day in the pool. But no, I really do like it. I wish that these pants I could pull a bit higher, because I feel like they just sit on me where it like grabs my fat. Oh, so this next one I think was in the tankini section, where they're like a little bit longer for your bodice. So it's just a cheetah print, and the back detailing is so pretty. It's like all tied together, and again it's got the padding so that you're gonna be fine and have that sort of protection. And then the knickers are very high-waisted. So again, I'm not usually someone who wears high-waisted bathers. In my Boohoo haul I did get some that were high-waisted, because I see people wear them and I'm like, oh, that looks really nice, but then I'm like, oh, I don't know if I like them. So I have got one to try with the high-waisted bottoms, but I just feel like they look huge. Like, you know what I mean? Like, they look like I'm gonna wear my granny panties swimming, if you know what I mean. But again, the butt will be a bit cheeky. It isn't fully covered, so we will see. Okay, so I absolutely love this bikini top. I think this is the most kind of like flattering on me, because I think of the, you right there? Because I think of the sweetheart design. I want to really like these, but I think it's this fabric here that I don't like, because I feel like it would look so much more better if it like stayed down instead of going up, and it won't stay down. Like, it kind of creates this cut along here, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I don't dislike them, but it definitely isn't my favourite, because it also creates like the fat here, because it kind of like, this bit's tight down here and then this bit's tight here, so it kind of just doesn't fit as well as I'd like it to. Are you right there, honey? But no, I do like it. I just think I would need to go shopping for different high-waisted black bottoms, I think, is what I would probably do. Ooh, I like this colour. Okay, so this was the one that I did get in a size medium, because in all the reviews it said to size up. So how pretty is this like very pinky colour? I love it so much. It's it just looks so pretty. This one I like the bottoms because it has detailing on the sides. I'm sorry, I'm in a bit of pain. Why I decide to do a video when I'm in pain, God knows. So this is, yeah, very pretty. Holy shit. This is so pretty. So this is very, like, it looks like it's gonna be very nothing, like you're not wearing much, but to be honest, that's pretty good. I just hope it fits, because there's no way you can tighten it or anything. This one doesn't come with the cups in it, but it is double fabric, so hopefully you still won't get the cold nipple as bad, but it is super pretty. I really hope this fits. I really hope it fits. Okay, so this is the only size medium, and I'm so glad I got a size medium, because these bottoms are quite tight. They're not like uncomfortable tight, but they are definitely tighter than any of the other bottoms I've tried. I do really like the cutouts. I just wish they were just a bit looser at the top. That is my only thing that I don't like about it, because again, it gives you like that muffin top here, which I don't like. But I do like these bottoms. I do think they're quite pretty. And this top is so pretty. I love the detailing and everything of it. This will definitely probably be one of my go-tos this summer, just because it is so pretty. just make sure you put sun cream on, because otherwise we're going to get lines on our back. But no, I do think this is really, really pretty. Okay, so the last one that I have bought from this year is, oh yeah, this one. So this one is in a size small as well. So the top is so pretty. So that is the top. It's kind of like a bikini but with a little bit longer underneath, which I kind of like because, I don't know, sometimes I just get a roll here. So it's nice to have something that just covers that just a little bit. The backing is all tied together, so if it is loose you can tie it tighter. And this one comes with two bottoms. So this one comes with a plain set that match the top. And again, it's very similar to the other ones where it's a little bit of cheeky but not much cheeky. And then it also comes with, this very cheeky but very pretty bottoms where they've got like the tied bits on the side for the detailing, and the really pretty pattern that matches the top as well. But this one is going to be very cheeky, so we will see how we go with that. Okay, so I think this is probably my favourite bikini that I have got from ZAFUL. It just fits so well. Like, the bottoms don't fit in, I mean the bottoms don't cut in or anything, they just fit really nicely on my hips. They're a bit more showy than what I'm used to, but I still think they're just really cute. I feel like the top also makes my boobs look really good, which I'm not complaining about. And even the top is really good because you can still tighten it or make it looser, and like the back detailing is just so pretty. So this is definitely my favourite one, and I really like that you can change the bottom. So I'll put the second bottoms on. These are the plain bottoms that go with it. I definitely prefer the other ones. I think these ones are a lot more like covered here, which I just don't know looks as flattering on my body, but I still do really like them. So no. These ones, like, you could definitely probably get away with wearing for like your family, and then the other ones you could wear when you're around your friends, I think, which is probably what I do. The next few items I am going to show you are the ones that I just wanted to quickly include in this, just so that you could see, just so that I can kind of see the different quality from last year to what it is now. So this is the one that I actually really love wearing. It is just a simple red one that you can tie at the front tighter. It doesn't have anything at the back. It's just very easy to wear. And then these are the bottoms, and they just have a bit of a scrunch thing at the bum, so they are quite cheeky, but this is a really nice, easy to wear bikini. It isn't very, like, it's not uncomfortable or anything. I really liked this one, so I did save this one from ZAFUL. I didn't actually keep all the ZAFUL ones that I got last year just because a lot of them, my boobs just didn't really fit. I only came across this the other day in a bag because I was unpacking stuff, and I thought, wow, why did I shove that in there? Because I just must have shoved it instead of throwing. So the quality pretty much feels exactly the same as what I have got from this year's one. This one is very, very cheeky bum. So I won't be putting this one on for you guys because, as you can see, the cup size is just like it doesn't even cover half my boob size. So this one was very upsetting because I really do love the print of this, and I feel like as a bikini it could have been really pretty, but yeah, it was just very tiny. So I thought I would just show you that a lot of these, the cut sizes are so much better, but I don't know if it's just because I lucked out because I kind of looked for ones that look like they had a bit bigger cup size, or if it's just because they just used to make them really little. I'm not sure. And then I also just want to show you guys this really pretty sarong that I got from Shopo. It isn't from ZAFUL, but it is from Shopo, which is an Australian seller. So this is just the prettiest, sort of very simple sarong, and they also did have a white version. So I am just going to show this with you guys when I try some on, just so that you guys can see what it looks like, because I think it was only like $19.95, so it was very, very good, and it's just easy to wear. So yes. Okay, so this is the sarong. Like, look how cute it is, and how simple and easy to wear it is, and like you'll be able to wear it when you go to the beach or to the pool, and like when you go see your friends and your family and stuff. Like I feel like it is just such a cute but still like stylish sarong. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see any more hauls like this, then please let me know. I really do like getting into the summery sort of clothes when it is such nice weather. I do have a couple more clothing hauls coming up in the next couple weeks. So yeah, if you want to see any more of these, then just let me know, and I will see you guys later. Bye!